Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that is really important for our planet. I mean planetary boundaries. So what exactly are planetary boundaries? Well, think of them as the limits or boundaries that our planet can handle without causing irreversible damage. It is like the borderline we shouldn't cross if we want to keep our planet healthy and thriving. One important concept within the planetary boundaries is the tipping point. This is the point where an environmental change becomes unstoppable and has severe consequences. It's like the speed limit on the road. If we go beyond it, we risk causing harm. We have already crossed these four boundaries from safe limit. So how can we live within this safe limit? Well, there are many ways we can make a positive impact. First is to reduce our carbon footprint. That means using energy efficient devices and machines and opting for the renewable energy sources like solar power means reducing our consumption of the fossil fuels. Another important aspect is the protecting the biodiversity. That means we need to preserve and restore ecosystems by planting trees, supporting wildlife, doing some conservation efforts and reducing pollution that harms our natural environment. Lastly, let's promote sustainable consumption and the production. This means that buying products that are ethically sourced and minimizing waste by recycling and composting, and at the same time supporting companies that are prioritizing the sustainability. Remember, living within this safe limit is not just about individual actions. It is about coming together as a global community to make a difference. So together we can make a positive impact on our planet. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening and watching.